Once there was an elderly man who was penniless, living in a small home and driving an old, battered car. He survived on $99 Social Security checks. At the age of 65, he decided it was time for a change. He began to think about what unique skills or ideas he could offer. His friends always praised his chicken recipe. He realized this could be his best opportunity to turn things around. He left Kentucky and journeyed to various states, attempting to market his recipe. He approached restaurant owners claiming he had an irresistible chicken recipe. He proposed giving them the recipe for free, asking only for a small share of the profits on the dishes sold. It seemed like a fair offer, right? Sadly, most restaurant owners didn't agree. He faced rejection over 1,000 times. Despite all the refusals, he remained persistent. He had unwavering faith in the uniqueness of his chicken recipe. Finally, after being turned down 1,009 times, he received his first yes. With that single breakthrough, Colonel Harlan Sanders revolutionized how Americans enjoy chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken, famously known as KFC, was born. Remember, never lose hope and always trust in your abilities, even in the face of rejection.